2023, we are launching 4 new products. We're launching a Rapid Shine product that is designed for a wet application. This is something that will increase gloss, will increase your water beading and your slickness. We also have a new Headlight Restoration Coating. This is done as a kit where we will sand off the oxidized and yellow surface, and then we go directly to application of a coating, no polishing required. And this will give you 1 year of protection.
2 sanding steps, no buffing required, and then a coating that goes on top of a sanded surface to restore those headlights back to perfect.
We also will be launching in early 2024 an iron Decon Remover. This will be important for removing all of your ferrous metals, not only as a brake dust remover, but also on your paint surface as something you can use for a maintenance product for your ceramic coated finish, or as a preparation for installing a new ceramic coating on your finish.
So we can do our own decontaminant washes and get products.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward towards the iron remover, just because there aren't very many products to choose from on the market for that specific task, and you know, it's going to be competitive with other products, and it integrates very nicely vertically within the product line.
Yeah, exactly.
And then we're also going to have a trim coat out so that you can protect those plastic surfaces. So if you have that Avalanche or Jeep and you want to keep that trim looking really, really well, these are going to be the coatings for you as well.
And then we will also have a new hydrophilic product, which is an anti-fog that will keep you from fogging up the interior of your vehicles. Typically, if you were to use a hydrophobic product that is normally reserved for the outside of the vehicle, it will actually increase fogging on the inside. This is designed to be anti-fog and very, very durable. And that is what's going to set this product apart, is its durability.